Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off Gemini on Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically stop using Google Gemini. So you can turn off Google Gemini, or maybe use a different application. Number one, you're going to want to make your way over to the Google application. So find the Google app. It looks just like this. And you want to go ahead and open it up. Now, when you do that, what you want to do then is you want to click on the top right corner right up here and click on your profile icon. So tap right into here, and you want to tap on your settings icon that's at the very bottom. So right here, tap into settings, and you'll see this page come up. What you want to do next is you want to scroll down until you find this little option that says Gemini, which is right there. So tap there, and then you'll see this page come up. Now, what we're going to want to do next is you want to go ahead and basically scroll down until we find this Google Assistant features in Gemini. So then you're going to see that right below it is Digital Assistance from Google. Tap on Digital Assistance from Google. And then this page will basically allow you to switch from Gemini over to Google Assistant. So you can go and switch between those two if you want to, which is nice. If you don't want to do those at all, you can go back and we can make our way over to our settings application. So make your way over into settings, click into the apps portion. So click on apps, scroll down until you find the Gemini application. So you should be able to find Gemini right here. And then at the very bottom, you can click on force stop, click here, and then disable app. And then you should be able to go through and see that Google Gemini is going to be a little bit different, but that's another option that you have there as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. And that's pretty much it. So that's basically how you can turn off Gemini on Android. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.